Hi, Ellie. Are you dressed up as a puppy for Halloween? It's October 11th and Ellie is exactly 9 months old today. Baby girl, look at mommy. Baby girl. Don't cover your little eye. There she is. She's a little puppy dog. He's a very cute puppy. Yeah, he's a very cute puppy. Are you gonna crawl to me? Hi, baby girl. Look at that little face. It's a cute little puppy dog face. Yeah. She's reaching, she's reaching. Cukes, you have anything you want to say? I'm always the voice in videos.
Very cute, very sweet girl.
Very sweet girl. We love her so much.
Big smiles.
Come on, baby. Okay, costume's all done. Trick or treat.